I'm here with Kayla McKenna. Very difficult game for you girls tonight. What were your thoughts on the game?
Yeah, I mean, I think obviously not the result we wanted, especially on home soil. We wanted to get the win and put ourselves on the front foot going to the next game. But I think there are some really, really positive moments that we can take away from that game going to the next one. I think we were really dangerous in the attack. I think we created chances. And I think we had a couple of lapses and moments throughout the game, and that cost us. But going to the next one, we know what we need to fix, and we know what we can take advantage of to hopefully get the win.
You spoke about a few lapses. At the World Cup, you guys were tremendous at the back defensively. We conceded early and conceded late. Thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, it's part of the game. Mistakes happen, and obviously in the World Cup we were solid and we were really good, and then we want to get back there for the next game.
The second goal was a killer, right? I think going to Canada down 1-0, you guys would be a much better place.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I think both goals kind of took the wind out of our sails a bit because we were on top of the game, we were dominating with possession, and then they get a goal, and that kind of deflates us a little bit, and it's tough to kind of come back from that. But, 2-0 is not too hard to overcome. We've overcome harder things before, and we're a very resilient team, and I think that we can do it.
So, confident going into Toronto the second leg?
Absolutely. We have no choice but to put everything out there. We have absolutely nothing to lose. So,
best thing about being a reggae girl?
The girls, the team, the vibes. It's great.
Pineapple on pizza?
No, absolutely not.
Thank you very much.
No problem.